Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm preparing my DIY African black soap shampoo. This is actually a video that I have shot before, although I had to film this again because I changed a few things in creating the recipe of my shampoo, and I just wanted to keep you guys up to date in case you followed the first formula that I posted on here. So I use African black soap as my dominant shampoo. I make it myself. I purchase the black soap from our local market here in Lagos, and I include all of the ingredients by myself so that I know exactly what goes in there, and I am certain that it will be beneficial for my hair. Now, for the previous video that I posted on African black soap shampoo, I'm going to link that in the description box. I had actually told you guys that I made a mistake in my measurements, and so I had shampoo that was basically like water instead of thick shampoo that lathered properly. By the way guys, this is just me showing you the oils that I typically use to prepare my shampoo. Nothing has changed. Basically, I'm going to be using the same oils. It's just that I'm going to be reducing the quantity of each amount of oil that I include in the shampoo. This one right here is my onion oil mixed with coconut oil, and I'm also going to be including that into my shampoo, and this is Karkar oil. So previously, where I just included about 4 to 5 tablespoonfuls, or at least 2 tablespoonfuls of each oil into my black soap, this time I'm going to be including just 1 tablespoonful of all of the oils into my black soap. So for Karkar oil, I'm going to use just 1 tablespoonful. For olive oil, for castor oil, and for the onion oil, I'm going to be using just 1 tablespoonful. But for eucalyptus oil, I'm going to be using 2 tablespoonfuls because I like the way that it suits my scalp, and I like the way that it feels like peppermint oil. So for you guys who are not familiar with the benefits of black soap is antifungal and antibacterial. It keeps scalp and hair diseases at bay. It also effectively cleanses skin and scalp. And guys, I'm telling you, when I use black soap, that it gives my hair a thorough cleanse, and I do not usually have to shampoo more than 2 times. Sometimes once is enough. Black soap also helps with detangling my hair, and for those of you who watch my videos during my wash days, you would see that I actually do detangle my hair when I have my black soap shampoo in it. But guys, the last shampoo that I did before this one, I could not detangle my hair with that shampoo because I used so much water and less black soap. So what I did for this particular recipe here is that I used 1 round quantity of black soap. Sorry guys, I couldn't even include the black soap measurements here because I filmed this. I didn't even know that I was going to film this, but I decided to just keep you guys up to date on this particular black soap because I know there are people who actually use this recipe and my measurements. So previously, where I used just 1 of these black soaps here on the right, this time I used 1.5 of it in quantity, and so that gave me soap that was way thicker and it lathered so much better. The previous black soap that I did not lather so much. It was basically so watery guys, and I had to be using so much of it whenever I wanted to wash my hair. Also, I had included shea butter in that previous one, and my shea butter, because I did not use an emulsifier, it did not blend properly, so that did not give me the best of results. I had my shea butter settling on top and the rest of the shampoo was at the bottom. So this time I did not include shea butter. I just stuck to my oils and my black soap, and that's basically all that I use. Another benefit of using black soap as a shampoo is that it helps to reduce hair loss. It also helps to soften your hair, and it combats aging of the hair follicle. Totally, it helps to boost your hair growth, and it also helps to keep your hair healthy, shiny as well. The rest of the ingredients each help to boost hair growth. They help to ensure that your hair stays shiny, and they help to ensure that your hair follicles are healthy, that your scalp is healthy, that hair and scalp diseases are kept at bay, and that in general your hair is in its healthiest state. So here I'm simply showing you guys the bottom of my black soap. You will get particles like this when you drain or strain your black soap after you've mixed everything up. And so this is what my black soap is looking like at the end of the day. I'm going to simply go ahead and pour all of it into a number of shampoo bottles. So what I really liked about this black soap that I prepared right here is that this one was really thick. I don't know if you can tell from the consistency, but it was thick, and it was actually so much thicker than the one that I prepared previously. And this is actually the right consistency for black soap. The other one, guys, when I tell you it was light, it was so light. And the yellow container that I used to pour the black soap in at the start of this video is actually a 2-liter container. So if I was going to be measuring the quantity of black soap that I prepare each time, using that container is about 1.5 liters. So I stuck with 1.5 liters, but I increased the amount of black soap that I used, but decreased the quantity of oils that I used, so that there will be more lather while everything still comes together to give my hair the nutrients and the moisture that it needs. So this is what my black soap is looking like. I had 2.5 bottles here, which is less than the 3 bottles that I had the last time I prepared it. So this will take me for quite some time. We're coming to the end of this video, guys. Kindly comment down below if you have tried this before, or if it's something you're willing to try, and just give this video some love. Give this video a thumbs up to help me with engagement. Also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Share this video if you will, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.